So since you have a better voice, can you explain what just happened here?
There was water damage from the dishwasher that penetrated into the ceiling and then down the walls. It also damaged the rug and the underlayment that's in the rug, the padding under the rug.
Yeah, and you check the insulation and it was all wet.
The insulation in the walls was wet, and the drywall was wet.
Okay.
And you can see the water damage that went in there and down in the window.
On the floor.
You can see where it was the damage that was on the floor from the moisture that's still in the wood there.